Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about a new immigration bill that passed the House of Representatives recently, and it makes DUI a deportable offense. If you're here in the United States and you're planning on going through an immigration process for the green card, this will impact you if you are convicted of DUI. It will allow the government, friends, to remove or deport individuals who are convicted of DUI. We're going to dive into it in this video. I'm Latoya McBean Pompey, an immigration lawyer in New York, working with clients nationwide at McBean Law. Reach out to us, friends, if you have an immigration problem or case that you'd like to discuss with us. You may contact us at 888-462-4006 or at McBeanlaw.com, where you can request an appointment with an attorney. Before you go today, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notice of these videos each week. Let's talk about this new bill, guys. HR 6976. Let's just look at the summary here from the actual legislation. This bill makes driving while intoxicated or impaired a ground for barring a non-U.S. national or an alien under federal law from admission into the United States or deporting the individual. Why is there a distinction here between this idea of admission into the United States versus deporting an individual? First of all, if you're going through the green card process, you have to prove to the government that you're not inadmissible. There's nothing standing in your way that makes you inadmissible. But if something does make you inadmissible, you'll need a waiver, or if no waiver is available for that thing, well, you will not get through. Plain and simple, you will not be able to get your green card. There's a bar in this particular case. Being convicted of DUI, which is driving under the influence of alcohol, that conviction can make you inadmissible for adjustment of status purposes, and you're barred. This is a deportable offense under our immigration system. The bar to admission shall apply to an individual who has been convicted. This is a conviction, not just charges, who have been convicted of the offense or has admitted to having committed the acts which constitute the elements of the offense. As a ground for deportability, the individual must have been convicted of the offense. This is not merely a scenario in which you were charged with this particular crime. To go into the text of the bill just a little bit, just so that you guys can see this for yourself, driving while intoxicated or impaired, any alien who has been convicted of, who admits having committed, or who admits committing acts which constitute the essential elements of an offense for driving while intoxicated or impaired, including a conviction for driving while under the influence of or impaired by alcohol or drugs, without regard to whether the conviction or offense is classified as a misdemeanor or felony under federal, state, tribal, or local law. This person is inadmissible. Doesn't matter that you're in a state where this DUI would be considered a misdemeanor. Both misdemeanors and felonies under this particular new bill would make you inadmissible. Here's the section about deportability. It makes you deportable. This is just a 3-page simple bill. This is just an article from The Hill, but it passed the House, guys, by 274 to 150 vote, with 59 Democrats joining all 215 Republicans in backing this legislation. So this bill passed the House with 59 Democrats supporting it. That's pretty strong. There's a strong possibility that this is going to pass the Senate. If it does pass the Senate and goes to President Biden's desk, I don't know what he's going to do with that. I haven't seen any position from the White House regarding this. It's possible that he will sign it into law. Why? Because he's trying right now to push through a bipartisan immigration bill that is now stalled, dead on arrival in the House, not going anywhere because Donald Trump has instructed fellow Republicans not to support it. I think the president is desperate right now to do something around immigration, and so he may very well sign something like this. Once this goes into law, guys, it elevates things. DUIs will become a very, very significant problem for immigration, for both adjustment of status, those of you who are trying to get your green card here, as well as making you deportable. You can be removed. And then if you're outside of the United States and you have this DUI conviction on your record, that's going to be a problem, and inadmissibility problem to be able to come into the United States as well. So this is very, very significant. So the bottom line is be very careful, obviously, right? You don't want to be out there, get drunk or high, and then get behind the wheel of a car, because not only can you kill someone, but you could also be giving up your opportunity for lawful status, permanent residency here in the United States. So again, this bill passed on February 1st, and it's now over at the Senate for their consideration. I will keep you guys posted on this one. Comment below, let me know your thoughts on it. What do you think about this? And guys, be sure to subscribe again to my channel, and also subscribe to our newsletter, whereby each week you will get delivered straight to your inbox quality content, immigration Q&As, immigration news summaries, and good news stories to inspire you. Subscribe today at McBeanlaw.com/subscribe. Thanks for being with me in this one, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.